Hello everyone. Today I will be presenting an English assignment on cervical cancer based on an international journal I found. The journal, the title of journal is Incident and Treatment Outcomes of Uterine Cervical Cancer in Korea, uh, 1999 until 2018 from the National Cancer Registry. So, uh, oh yeah, the journal source from the Journal of Technologic Oncology, and so what exactly is cervical cancer according to the journal? Uh, Cervical cancer is a highly malignant disease of the cervix, and cervical cancer consists of squamous cell carcinoma or SCCA, which is the most common, and then adenocarcinoma. This is occurs most often in young women, and adenosquamous carcinoma. And then, why is it important to study cervical cancer carefully? Cervical cancer needs to be studied carefully because it is remains uh, one of the most common cancer in women. Although the incidence is decreasing in 2018, there were still around uh, 3,500 new cases in Korea. Furthermore, cervical cancer needs to be researched to inform screening, HPV vaccination, and treatment development. Nah, from the journal, when and where the location record and who developed uh, cervical cancer. In the journal, according to the journal, the data comes from across South Korea using the Korea Central Cancer Registry, which represents uh, the epidemiology of cervical cancer in the national population over a 20 years periods. The study began in 1999 and include survival analysis from 2014 until 2018. All women with primary cervical cancer record in Korea were uh, recorded. The study found a pattern that young women under 50 years of age were more likely to develop SCCA. This means that different age groups have different risks and types of cancer. Okay, so what is the current state of cervical cancer based on the research, and how has it changed and been treated? Science 19 and 1999, the incidence of cervical cancer has decreased based on screening and vaccination results. With an increase in 5 years survival, and difference is cancer types at different age. Nah, although the incidence of cervical cancer is declining, it remains a significant health problem. Changing histological patterns, the increase in adenocarcinomas in young women, and improving outcomes highlight the importance of early detection and modern screening like HPV testing and HPV vaccination. Um, this is concludes my presentation. This is my presentation. I'm sorry if I'm sorry for any errors in the information provided. Thank you for watching.